Hell yeah. I'm going to lose weight by working out like crazy.
Wait, you think you need to exercise like crazy to lose weight? Let me guess, is that what you really believe?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, you just said yes. But hold on, is that actually true? We're going to uncover the real answer by the end of this video. First, how does weight loss actually work? It's all about the law of thermodynamics. Yes, physics is involved. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, it just changes forms. So, how does this apply to weight loss? Energy balance. Here's the simple breakdown. Calories in equals calories out, your weight stays the same. Calories in lesser than calories out, you lose weight. Calories in higher than calories out, you gain weight. Easy, right? But here's the catch, most people think calories out only means exercise. Is that really true? Let's uncover the truth in the next part.